Hi, I'm Ray Clarke and I run Clarke Maintenance Services. We cover the inner London area and do all kinds of property services, from plumbing and electrical work to decorating and gardening. We've been in business for over 20 years and have many regular clients who can provide references for our work. We take a pride in the quality of our workmanship, and as a result, much of our business comes from referrals. We like to be competitive on price, so if you'd like a quotation for comparisons, then do give us a call and we'll try our best to give you a good price for your work. We also hold trade accounts with the big DIY chains and can help to secure discounts on materials and furnishings that you may be looking to purchase. Thanks for viewing my clip, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.